Alright, in this video I'm going to give you some practice questions for calculating the percentage increase or decrease between two numbers. Alright, so you need to make sure that you are using this formula. Alright, so the amount of change over the starting amount will give you a decimal, all right, and then eventually that will give you the percent change. Okay, so you get a decimal and then you multiply by 100. Okay, so multiply by 100 equals percent change. Okay, so I have done some example questions on earlier videos, but I'll give you another example, and then I'll give you some practice questions. Okay, so let's suppose that the first number we have is 150. All right, and the second number is 300. Okay, so we put these numbers into our formula here, and this is what it would look like. Our first number is 150 and our second is 300, so the difference between these numbers is going to be 150. Okay, and the amount we started with is going to be 150. Okay, leaves us with 1. Okay, so 150 divided into 150 leaves us with 1, multiplied by 100 gives us 100%. So that is our percentage change. Alright, now is it an increase or a decrease? Well, you can tell by looking at the numbers. If the second number is bigger than the first, it's a percentage increase. So this is a percentage increase. If the second number is smaller than the first, then it's a percentage decrease. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of practice questions. I'll show you how I worked it out, and then I'll give you some more that you can go off and check with a partner. Okay, so let's suppose our next one is 300. And the second one is 200. Alright, so the difference between these is 100. Okay, the starting amount is 300. Okay, so it's 300 into 100, or basically 1/3. Alright, that gives us 0.33. Okay, multiply that by 100 equals 33 and 1/3%. And is the second number bigger or smaller than the first? Well, it's smaller, so that means that it's a 33 1/3% decrease. Okay, and let's try another one. Let's try 500, and second number will be 100. Okay, so the difference between these numbers is 400. Okay, the starting number is 500. Okay, so it's basically 4/5, which we know is 0.80 times 100 equals 80%. And is the second number bigger or smaller than the first? It is smaller, so that is an 80% decrease. Okay? All right. So I'm just going to move my page up a little and give you some practice questions that you can try out yourself. Okay? More? Okay. So why don't you try 200 and 300, 70 and 50 and 90 and 30. Okay? So in the interest of keeping this video short, I think what I'm going to do is just ask you to work these out and check them with a partner and see how you go. Alright, I hope that's been helpful. Good luck.